Okay. So another type of differential staining, we have acid-fast stain. So acid-fast stain is differential staining, and of course it detects cell capable of retaining a primary stain when treated with an acid alcohol. So usually in gram staining, we put crystal violet and iodine, and then they form complex inside the um, cell or in the cytoplasm. And then we use alcohol to wash away those complexes if it's gram negative. Okay, but some bacteria, like Mycobacterium, like it's very difficult to remove the primary stain of Mycobacterium because they have high level of mycolic acid in their cell wall. So, anong meron sa mycolic acid? So, this mycolic acid is hindi siya na-wash away ng, ng alcohol. That's why uh, uh, the alcohol cannot enter the cell. Okay, so the presence of mycolic acid in cell wall of acid-fast organism uh, is the of course the cytological basis for this kind of differential staining. So why is it differential staining? We could classify bacteria if they have high mycolic acid content or onti yung mycolic acid content. So mycolic acid is a waxy substance. That's why it gives acid-fast cell higher affinity for primary stain and resistance for, of course, to decolorize after acid alcohol solution. Okay, so there are variety of acid-fast staining. Of course, we have here like two example. We have here Sale Nielsen acid fast stain, and of course we have Kion acid fast stain. So almost similar yung uh, process, but the only difference I in Zale Nelson, um, so they use carbon fusion like both, okay, but here it use steam heat to enhance the entry of carbon fusion into the cell. However, in Kinyun, it didn't use steam heat. Okay, rather he tried to develop more lipophilic or more lipid soluble carbofusin, so it can goes inside the cell. Okay, so if we compare Zil Nelson and Kiyun, it's better to do this Zil Nielsen acid fast stain rather than Kiyun. Okay, so what else? So take note, acid fasting are useful to, of course, identify acid-fast bacilli and, of course, rapid preliminary diagnosis for, of course, tuberculosis. So we could just get a sputum sample and subject your sputum to acid fasting to determine if we have like this bacteria that can cause tuberculosis, such as um, um, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, and of course we have also other bacteria from genus Mycobacterium na acid fast uh, bacteria. So of course we have yung nagkakos ng leprosy of course, you have the Mycobacterium um, leprae. Okay, and of course, other members of actinomyces, we have Nocardia, so they are also acid fast bacteria. So let's review the uh, protocol for acid fast staining. So of course, first, like both methods, the cell, like prior to staining, they are transparent. Okay, and then they use carbon which is color red to pink. So they after steam heating, it will appear pink like both acid fast and acid fast negative. Also same with Kiyun acid fast staining. Okay, and then after some time we use decolorizing agent. Okay, so again, due to high level of mycolic acid, alcohol cannot penetrate inside the cell. It retains the dye inside, like the carbolfuchsin, while the non-acid fast bacteria, like all the carbolfuchsin, wash away. Okay. Also the same with Kiyun. Okay. And then we need to put counter stain. This time our counter stain, it could be methylene blue or brilliant green. For Kiyun, they can also use methylene blue. So possible like we have green and non-acid fast and of course reddish to pink acid fast uh, bacteria, or purple or blue and um, pink sorry, blue acid fast um, non-acid fast bacteria, and of course we have pink acid fast bacteria. Okay, so under microscope, so this is the N method. Um, we have pink, and of course here we have methylene blue. Okay, so this is Mycobacterium plei. I don't know how to pronounce it. And of course the this one, the non-acid fast, this is Staphylococcus epidermis. Okay. Acid fast negative. Okay. And here another example, we have Mycobacterium smegmatis, and yung pinkish, the purple color, and of course this green, uh, we have Staphylococcus epidermis. Okay.